Alright, so in today's video we're going to go through making a window in Sketchup from scratch. So let's do it manually. So first things first, I would say go ahead and create your window opening, and let's just say we have a 1500 by 1000 window right here. And because this is just a wall, I'm going to push pull until it hits that face and it creates that opening. Now, once I have this opening, I'm going to do something that feels a little counterintuitive and draw a new rectangle on top. What I'm going to do with this is then double click, right click, make component. Alright, so I'm going to give it a name, say window 1, and I don't want it to glue to any surface. I'm going to keep that none. And I think all of that's fine, and I'm going to replace the selection with the component. Create. And now we have our component. So this is going to be, this plain rectangle is what's going to become our window. So let's go ahead and get started with modeling it. So if I double click, I'm now editing the component, and I can double click, and I've selected the surface and the outline in the perimeter. Now I'm going to deselect the surface, so I just have the perimeter line selected and offset it. So let's say it's a 40 mil frame. And with that, I'm going to delete that. I can then add in a frame with thickness to the rest of the wall. So I'm going to go in and let's just add it for the full thickness of the wall. Alright, now let's add a little inner frame. So if I do a rectangle from midpoint to midpoint, then have something I can double click, shift to deselect the middle surface, click the offset, and let's offset it, say another 40. Let's pull it out, say 80, and we have the start of a really effective window. Now, the one thing I need to do first, though, is make sure this is glass. So I'm going to paint this with a translucent glass gray color, and I am going to go in and just make sure these are reversed. And there we have a window. So this is now a window component that we can then go through and, copy and paste wherever we want in our project. And the great thing about doing this as a component means that if I go in and let's say all of the frame needs to be some type of wood texture, I can do that here, and it will update automatically elsewhere. So that's going to be how you can manually create a window in SketchUp really simply as a component.